Hi everyone, welcome back. I got for you today some butyl tape. It's a beautiful thing. I had to say that. Okay, this stuff is some sticky business going on here. It comes, of course, with the film on the underside of it and foil backing. Just 2" by 16.5 feet, but it's good stuff. Roof stuff, HVAC kind of a thing, gutters, RV problems. A lot of stuff can be done with this. Just for a test, I had a couple of these old dishwashing pod. Let's see if I can break them apart. Okay, so I stretched it, but that was a lot of effort. So that's some strong stuff, and that's all I got to do tell you about. It's waterproof, leak-proof, weather-resistant. It's going to be a good quality product for you. So if you need something like this, go ahead and check it out. I think you'll be glad. Bye now.